Hello children, welcome to the e-learning channel. As you know, we have already studied about this chapter as a number one, physical features of India. We have done the exercises. Now it's the time to do the question answers. Children, we'll go with the question answers and I'll explain you also the question answers so that you can understand it. Maybe someone, if you have not understood it well, you can see again. Okay, now children, slowly, first of all, you will write lesson number one, physical features of India with black pen. Write date and page number here. Put the heading, answer the questions with black pen. Then you will copy question number one, that is, describe the shape of India. What is question number one? Describe the shape of India. Before telling you this answer, I am going to show you something. See, children, what is this? Yes, I know you people have understood it. This is the outline map of India. I just want to show you that see the shape of India, children. It is, if you come from this north side, you see this part is broad. Okay, this is the maximum broadness of this map. And as we come down slowly, we will see it is in the form of a triangle. It is pointed like a pen. It starts from here and see it comes down and it takes the shape of a triangle. It is broad in the middle and narrows towards the south. Clear? Now children, come to the question. I hope children you all have understood it. Now write the answer. The shape of India is broad in the middle. Broad means chauda, is broad in the middle and narrow towards the south, forming a triangular shape. See again, the shape of India is broad in the middle and narrow towards the south, forming a triangular shape. Now see again, in the middle it is broad and as you come towards the south it becomes narrow. So from here to here it takes the shape of a triangle. You can see clearly children. Okay. Now come to the question number two, that is name the neighboring countries of India. What is question number two? Name the neighboring countries of India. See the spelling of neighboring? Neigboring. Neighboring countries. Padosi desh. Okay, children, before telling you the answer, I again want to tell you the trick to learn these countries easily. Now, children, shortcut to learn countries sharing border with India. Neighboring countries means the countries that share the same border. Okay, they share the border with India. Trick which will include all the countries' name and you can remember it easily. It is in Hindi as you can see that. Now, the trick is भाई अकेले चाय पीना नहीं मैं भी हूँ भाई अकेले चाय पीना नहीं मैं भी हूँ where B for this bhai stands for Bhutan, A of this akele stands for Afghanistan, C for this chai stands for China, P for this Pina stands for Pakistan, N nahi N stands for Nepal, M मैं M stands for Myanmar. In B stands for Bangladesh. And children, at last, who in who Just ignore H. To see all the neighboring countries, it includes Bhutan, Afghanistan, China, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Okay, now come back to the answer. Neighboring countries of India are, what are the neighboring countries? Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Pakistan, Bangladesh. See again. Now see again. Neighboring countries of India are Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Okay, children? Children, I left Afghanistan, but if you want, you can write. Okay, these are the name of all neighboring countries and we can learn easily. Okay, children? Now, children, we have to do only two question answers, but do it in that manner. See the spellings carefully. That is why I am telling you again. Write each and every spelling in a correct way. Okay, children, and understand the answer as well so that you don't need to learn it. Okay, now describe the shape of India. Question number one is, the shape of India is broad in the middle, as I'm showing you, is broad in the middle and narrows towards the south, forming a triangular shape, and narrows towards the south, forming a triangular shape. Okay, children. Now, question number two is, name the neighboring countries of India. Okay, children, for telling this once again, if someone has missed it, once again, I'm telling you the trick to learn the neighboring countries of India, the names of neighboring countries of India. भाई अकेले चाय पीना नहीं, मैं भी हूँ. भाई अकेले चाय पीना नहीं, मैं भी हूँ. B for Bhutan, A for Afghanistan, C for China, P for Pakistan, N for Nepal, Myanmar, and B for Bangladesh. And ignore H at last. I hope you all have understood well. But then also see the spellings, tough spellings. See the spelling? Bhutan, Bhutan. Then see Nepal, Nepal. Bhutan, Bhutan. China, China. Myanmar, Myanmar. Pakistan, Pakistan. Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Children, you have to write questions with black pen and answers with blue pen. Okay? I hope you all have understood it well and you don't need to learn it. Okay, children? Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe, and keep yourself healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.